Most people obsess over how they wake up. Cold showers, journaling, meditation, a whole 90-minute ritual before 7 a.m. But here's the thing nobody's talking about. Your day is already decided the night before you even open your eyes. And in this video, I'm going to show you the exact nighttime routine backed by science that changed how I sleep, how I wake up, and honestly, how I live. And stick around, because later I'm going to share one thing I do right before bed that cut my middle of the night wake-ups, something I have been doing since I was a kid, almost completely. It sounds weird, but it works. So if you clicked on this, you are probably either struggling to fall asleep, waking up tired, or you just feel like your mornings are fighting you before they even start. For years I couldn't figure out why I would wake up feeling like I got hit by a truck, even after 8 hours in bed. Once I stopped messing with my mornings and started engineering my nights, everything shifted. Sleep quality, energy, mood, focus, all of it. My name is Ercan. I help ambitious people build discipline and consistency through simple habits, systems, and mindset. And this routine, it took me years to piece together, but you are going to get it in the next 10 minutes. Here's why this actually matters more than any morning routine ever will. When you sleep well, really sleep well, your body regulates your hormones, repairs your muscles, consolidates your memory, and resets your mental state. That's not motivation talk, that's biology. But here's what's crazy. Most people are unknowingly destroying their own sleep every single night, and they don't even know it. The wrong light at the wrong time, eating too close to bed, checking one message at 9 p.m. These small things have a compounding effect on your sleep that quietly tanks your performance every single day. Morning routines get all the hype, but no amount of cold plunges or green juice will save you if your sleep is broken. So let's fix the foundation. Step 1. Get light during the day. This one starts during the day, but it directly affects how you sleep at night. Getting natural light, especially in the morning, resets your internal body clock, your circadian rhythm, and when that clock is set right, falling asleep at night becomes way easier. Now, the experts say 15 minutes of morning sun. That's great in theory, but with work, kids, life, it's not always realistic. My rule: get light whenever you can. A walk, standing in your backyard for 5 minutes, sitting near a window during a break. The timing doesn't have to be perfect, just get it. But here's the thing, if you skip what I'm about to show you next, the light exposure won't even matter, because you will be undoing all of it without realizing it. Step 2. Kill the artificial light at night. As the sun goes down, your light environment needs to shift too. Blue light from your phone, your TV, your overhead lights tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. It suppresses melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. In our house, we dim the lights after sunset. This step alone made a noticeable difference in how fast I fall asleep, and it costs you almost nothing. Step 3. The mind dump. You know that feeling where you are lying in your bed and your brain just won't shut up? That's not insomnia, that's an unprocessed to-do list. What I do, and this takes about 5 minutes, is write down 3 to 6 priorities for the next day before I close my workday. I use something called the Ivy Lee method. Simple list, done. That way, when I get into bed, there's nothing left to figure out. My brain can actually rest because the work's already parked somewhere safe. I also have a hard stop for emails and Slack at 6 p.m. One wrong message before bed can derail your whole night. Protect that window. Step 4. Hot shower. This one's a cheat code and most people sleep on it. No pun intended. A hot shower raises your core body temperature. When you step out, your body cools down rapidly, and that drop in temperature signals your brain that it's time to sleep. It literally speeds up the onset of sleep. But beyond the science, for me the shower is a ritual. It marks the end of the day. It's like telling my body, we are done. It's time to rest. Try it. Make it part of your night. You will feel the difference. Now, this next step, this is the one that changed my nights the most. And it's stupidly simple. The 3-2-1 method. 3 rules, 3 numbers, massive impact. 3 hours before bed, stop eating. When you eat right before sleep, your body's still digesting instead of recovering. Researchers found that eating close to bedtime increases your chance of waking up in the middle of the night by 44%. That number hit me hard when I first read it. 2 hours before bed, this is when I drink my sleep tea. Chamomile, glycine, and a pinch of sea salt. Chamomile helps me wind down faster. Glycine improves sleep quality. And the sea salt? This is the weird one I promised you earlier. It helps your body actually hold the water you are drinking, so you are not getting up to pee at 2 a.m. Since I was a kid, I would wake up 2 or 3 times at night. Once I added the sea salt, that basically stopped. It sounds odd, but try it. 1 hour before bed, screens go off. Blue light again. 1 hour buffer. That's the rule. Stack these 3 things consistently and your sleep will transform. Not overnight, but within a week or 2 you will feel it. Step 6. Disconnect. Then connect. The last part of my night is split in 2. First, I decompress alone. My wife watches her shows. I play a video game or watch YouTube. We both need that time to just switch off. No productivity, no pressure. Then, for the final hour, we connect. Just us. That balance between personal space and quality time, it keeps us both sane and it keeps the relationship alive. And the whole thing ends with a soft cap and a hard cap for sleep. My target is 9 p.m. My absolute latest is 10:30 p.m. The hard cap matters. It protects the 8 hours I need to actually function at my best. So here's what this routine actually does for you. You fall asleep faster. You stay asleep longer. You wake up without the alarm in a panic. Your energy isn't borrowed from caffeine. It's real. Your mood is better. Your focus is sharper. And your mornings become something you don't dread. I used to wake up feeling like I would be fighting in my sleep. Now I put my head on the pillow and when I open my eyes, it's the next day. Clean, rested, ready. And the best part, you don't need a 90-minute morning checklist to feel optimized. You just wake up and start. That simplicity is underrated. Imagine waking up tomorrow and already feeling like you have got a head start. That's what this routine gives you. Not some version of you in 6 months, but a version of you that's possible by next week. If this was useful, share it with someone who complains about being tired all the time, because they probably need this more than they realize. And if you want to go deeper on building the kind of discipline and systems that actually stick, subscribe, because that's exactly what this channel is about. Stay handsome and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.